Okay, so the question is, how do I read a Kindle book without owning a Kindle device? Um, Answer is pretty simple. Amazon provides free Kindle readers for any device you have. How do we get a hold of that free app from Amazon? We'll just open up a search engine and um, type in a Kindle reading device download. I don't know. There you go, Kindle reading app. How's that? And then we'll come to links. I happen to know this is the most direct link, and let me show you the difference between these two. Actually, this is quite interesting. What's important is that I'm actually going to Amazon for the app. So this first one takes me to a page that gives me quite a few selections, and that's all fine. If I click on Kindle for PC here, it takes me to a help page, which is absolutely fine and would be good to know about. And then if I'm going to download and install, takes me to go to Kindle for PC. That's what I'm trying to do, get a Kindle for PC, which takes me to this page. So I don't know, how many clicks was that? About 4. If I go back though to my search results and just go straight to the Kindle app link, this one takes me directly to that page. From there, I click on download PC and Mac. Now here, if I wanted my Apple phone um, or Apple device app to read Kindle on it, if I wanted to read apps on Android. But this one's for PC and Mac. It's going to go directly to the download. Notice down here I can click to install when it's ready. And all I have to do is wait for that to come about, open when done. As soon as that downloads, it'll roll for a little bit, and then it's going to open for me eventually. There we go. I'm going to have to click a uh, button that says it's okay, that I accept the terms of use. Yes, and here we go. I now have my Deep uh, in a Kindle desktop device. I didn't have to pay for it. This is a free device, and it's customizable. But that's the I can change this background. I can do a number of things here. I can download other books. But that's the basics of it. We'll come back again and look at some of the tricks for using a Kindle Reader. But here's how she goes. And one thing I'll show you quickly is using these little arrows. You have to hover to get them. They're really handy to go through the book and through the pages. Okay, I appreciate you. Um, as always, email me, uh, call me, flag me down on the street, anything. Let's talk. Don at roadturn.com. Don at roadturn.com. Wishing you great health and peace and wisdom on the journey.